Here is the Kidde smoke detector, which is the model i9010. And it's very important to have these throughout your whole entire home. And you should have this 3 feet away from all your bedrooms, and also one in the hallway as well. And check it out, and here we're gonna go install it right now. And now you tighten it up. Super simple to do.
Good.
And now you grab the machine and you do the twist. And ta-da! You now have a working smoke detector.
Does it turn on green or something? No.
It's working. Thank you for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.